twin turbos. It's got twin turbos on it. You see the little things on the side? That's the turbo. I'm hoping so, but that red truck's pretty fast.
Pickup truck here in the right-hand lane.
Nothing but camaro, huh?
Picking on a sanitary-looking Chevy camaro left-hand lane. We're building some awesome pickup trucks. Get a lot of Ford Lightning trucks out there that comes with a factory supercharged engine. Pretty much of a beast on the track. I've seen those trucks run as fast as the I-11s, and they drove them here to the racetrack.
You didn't see that.
First.
Oh, and what's that about the Ford?
Left-hand lane, 5.7.
Yeah, what's that about the Ford?
Chevy pickup, no block number 6, right-hand lane.